They have that magic, that live note, whatever that is, that makes them special. Von Schweikert sound real. I love live music. I've been an audiophile for a number of years, more than 20 years. Live music stimulates something in me, and that's what I'm trying to capture, and Von Schweikert speakers do a great job of doing that. People who can't spend multiple thousands of dollars can still find a speaker in the Von Schweikert line that they will love, because there's nothing out there that sounds like a Von Schweikert. And Von Schweikert sounds real, and that's what you're trying to get. You're trying to capture the magic of real music, live music, and they do it. Nobody else does.